Welcome to short introduction of the XBUP project. This presentation will describe one of the basic concepts used in this project to provide unified tree, namely numbers encoding and the block tree structure. Also there is included some motivation examples based on non-existing support of GPS coordinates in various mainstream protocols and formats. One of the fundamental concepts this project is based on is the unlimited variable encoding, which is combining unary code for length and binary code for the representation of numeric values. This encoding can be used for storing any value from up to infinite computable sets, and there is only one possible code for every single value. This allows, for example, to store integer, real or complex numbers. Another basic concept defines the basic structure of the protocol block. Usually block has two parts. First part, called attribute part, is a list of values stored using previously described encoding, where two values are used as lengths, first for attribute part and second for data part, which is the other mentioned part of the block. Data part is either blob or list of child blocks in tree. Also data part can have infinite length, alternatively limited by terminal block with zero length of attribute part. As next follows the example where should be demonstrated the advantages of unified approach. Example is related to boom with devices capable to track their own position using the global satellite-based navigation system called GPS. There can be various devices capable to produce various types of media, including pictures, audio, video, or text messages, and the goal is to provide position as additional information for users. The problem is that currently used formats have different internal structure and mostly cannot be combined. This would lead to necessity to provide independent specification for GPS support for almost every single format, and implement it in a huge amount of applications and in the various programming languages. Other possible solution is to use XML, but it's not easy to combine it with binary formats. This might change with the release of the efficient XML specification, but it will be most likely far to be perfect. In contrast to that, unified approach should provide advantages because it is possible to define support for the GPS, so it could be combined with every other format in XBUP protocol. Also, for the next upgrade of the GPS, you could easily use support for backward and forward compatibility and still provide viewing and editing tools independently on any application in single programming language of your choice. On top of that, there could be a service for automatic updates to keep this support up to date. Also, if you need more, you can simply extend this format for yourself, just like anybody else. I hope you now see that unified approach brings some advantages useful for both developers and users, but that's just a subset of the advantages which should be provided by the XBUP protocol. So, thank you for your time and please visit our webpage if you would like to know more about this project.